We're entering the Hilton arcade. Let us see. Free mga itong arcade nila dito.
Hindi, you have to pay 100 yen.
Ah,
Isang labahan din yun eh.
if you want to play.
Ang laba. Didi, you're doing onsen. Mag-stagger daw kayo ni na Kuya Ray. I'm going 11 to 11:30.
May oras daw sila.
7 na siya 9 to 9:30. Ay, pero paano kung magpunta sa locker? Ang tama ko, Kuya Ray, kailangan mag-15 minutes. Yeah.
Upper gate.
May bowling?
Yeah.
Uy, pwede pala. Kids room.
Is it in the lock? Yeah.
Uy, may bowling pala dito. Pwede mag-bowling dito na kaya. Magkano ang game nila per bowling? Pwede tayo mag-bowling pala. They have bowling, no? Hilton Odawara Resort and Spa. Oh. Medyo high-end, no? Oh, they have slot machine also. Here. Oh, nice. Magkano bowling nila, Kiars? How much yung bowling nila?
800 to 900 yen
Per
person.
Okay na. Magkano ang bowling nila? Mahal? What is that?
What is this? A Pokemon, no?
Pokemon?
800.
Per person? Pagkatapos? Upper game? Upper game?
Per, I guess in Canada.
Ah, okay na eh.
Pwede na.
Oo. Per person.
Per person.
Per person per game. Pero tapusin mo yung isang gano'n. Ah.
Ay, tama kasi yung isa.
Abusin mo.
Kira, wait, look.
Hindi pa pwedeng mag-rotation? Replace wala, no?
Pwede siguro. Ay, wala.
Ha?
Nasabi 800.
Kasi dapat may bowling shoes ka pala dapat kasi mayroon sila dyan. Uy, marami sila dito. Ano ba?
I'm a watcher.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes,
What's that?
Type of Pokemon. Water. We get like
Water.
or hand.
What's that?
Starter?
Oh. You can
Hit,
choose. You can choose.
Good luck guys, understanding what's going on. I'll get like